The best laundry baskets is probably one of the most essential household items that often get overlooked, but can make a big difference in your laundry routine. When choosing a laundry basket, it's important to consider the size, material, and design. Make sure to pick a basket that is large enough to hold your laundry, made of durable material that can withstand regular use, and has a design that fits your aesthetic and storage needs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 laundry baskets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Best Budget Pop-Up Bargain Mesh Hamper. Looking for a laundry hamper that is sturdy, compact, and easy to carry? This bargain mesh hamper is the perfect solution. With dimensions of 14 by 13 by 24 inches, this hamper is ideal for small spaces and travel. It stores flat and is easy to pack. With a 4.7-star average rating from over 43,000 reviewers on Amazon, this mesh hamper is highly praised for its wide top opening, sturdiness, and value. Don't forget to always use the handles when carrying this hamper to prevent the mesh from tearing. It's lightweight at just 0.51 pounds. Despite its simple appearance, this bargain mesh hamper is a practical and functional solution for all your laundry needs. What we like. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-store laundry basket with a wide top opening, you should consider this one. Ideal for small spaces and travel, this hamper is praised for its sturdiness, value, and easy portability. What people say. The size is great for my laundry basket. Very sturdy. Easy to fold up. Wonderful taking the laundry out of the dryer and moving to the living room. The red color is beautiful. A cheap but really handy tall basket for laundry, 13-gallon recycling bags. Add your own clips to keep bag open or don't use a bag, stuffed toys, linens, etc. It seems about twice as tall as it is wide, about as tall but a couple inches wider than a 13-gallon, tall kitchen garbage bag. Feels great for small spaces. Mesh is airy but not flimsy, at least not when first opened. Half-height side pocket is tight but handy. Colors we got, blue and white, are even and nice. Handles are attached better than I expected for something that costs so little. But mesh and frame rest right on floor, no feet to lift it up for airflow or keep bottom mesh clean. Don't drag it. Don't know yet how much the handles or frame lift. Probably not more than a loose single load. Don't stuff clothes, toys, recycling, or garbage, just keep it loose. Seams are fine, a bit loose, but that might be good because the wire frame is very springy, and tight seams might rip. Be careful, follow instructions for opening, because it is packed well and will spring out at you if you ignore the instructions. Sturdy, collapsible for storage, lightweight and flexible for carrying. Number 4. Best for big families. Laundry Hamper on Wheels. This laundry hamper on wheels features 4 separate compartments, perfect for keeping your darks and whites separate. The frame of this hamper is built from steel with a durable bronze finish, ensuring long-lasting use. Each bag on this sorter can hold up to 11 gallons of clothes, making it ideal for big families or those who do large loads of laundry. Reviewers say assembling this laundry hamper takes about 30 minutes, but it's not difficult and makes laundry a simpler affair. With wheels for easy maneuverability, this hamper can be moved around with ease, making laundry day a breeze. What we like. If you want a laundry sorter with 4 compartments, a sturdy steel frame, and wheels for mobility, this is the one for you. Perfect for big families or laundry perfectionists, this sorter simplifies doing large loads of laundry. What people say. The containers are sturdy and hang well. Rolling wheels make it easy to move around and all in all a very good laundry holder. The front wheels lock so it stays in place and the bags are easy to take out and replace. Definitely worth every penny, might get another for upstairs. The bags hold over a full wash load and are so easy to carry even full. Number 3. Best Multipack. Sturdy Laundry Basket Set. This laundry basket set is super sturdy, making it the perfect choice for busy families with a lot of laundry to do. Each basket can hold one enormous load, providing ventilation for wet and sweaty clothes. These baskets are proudly made in the USA and come with comfortable handles, making them especially helpful in houses with multiple levels. Reviewers love these baskets for their durability, with many saying they hold up great to wear and tear. They are also used for hauling packages and storing toys in playrooms. This set includes 6 baskets, each measuring 19 by 19 by 13.88 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds. The patterned plastic sides provide airflow for ventilation. The comfortable handles on these baskets make them easy to carry, especially in homes with a lot of stairs. Get your hands on this set today. What we like. If you have a busy family with a lot of laundry to do, this set of 6 sturdy plastic baskets with comfortable handles is the perfect choice. Ideal for holding large loads of laundry and providing ventilation for wet clothes, these baskets are praised for their durability and versatility. What people say. I have found them. These are a 6-pack for a great price. These baskets won't break on you, they can be overloaded to the max. I bought a 6-pack of these to replace some broken ones and a couple collapsible models that I didn't like. I love having so many, and because they are uniform they nest and are as easy to store as 1 or 2. They are on the smaller side but really are the appropriate size for a standard load of laundry. Number 2. Best overall. Laundry Basket 40L. Imagine a spacious and lightweight laundry basket that makes carrying loads of laundry effortless. With built-in comfort handles and plenty of vents, damp clothes won't get moldy. This 40-liter plastic laundry basket is perfect for fitting large loads of laundry, making it ideal for any household. Reviewers are delighted with its size and handle design. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy laundry baskets. This malleable plastic laundry basket is not only easy to carry but also prevents damp clothes from getting moldy with its ventilation. Customers are thrilled with this laundry basket, praising its size and the convenience of its handles for easy transportation. Make laundry day a breeze with this must-have item. Upgrade your laundry routine with this spacious and lightweight laundry basket. Its large capacity and comfortable handles make carrying laundry a breeze. Say goodbye to heavy, bulky baskets. What we like. If you need a laundry basket with a 40-liter capacity, malleable plastic design, and built-in comfort handles, this is the one for you. Highly rated for its size and ease of carrying, this basket is perfect for managing large loads of laundry. What people say. Seems to be a very solid, durable product. Sturdy basket. As I have difficulty lifting heavy objects, I like that this is light. Number 1. Best hanging hamper. Hanging hamper. This innovative hamper can be easily hung on a doorknob or in closets, keeping your laundry off the floor and saving valuable space. Made of heavy-duty polyester and cotton, this hamper is machine washable and built to last. Ideal for apartments, dorms, closets, and traveling, this hamper is a great fit for those with limited space. Reviewers love the quality of these hanging hampers, making them a must-have for anyone looking to keep their space tidy. With its patented design and easy hanging capabilities, this hamper is a convenient solution for organizing your laundry. What we like. If you are tight on space and need a laundry solution, this space-saving hanging hamper with a patented design is a great option. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and closets, this bag keeps laundry off the floor and is praised for its quality and convenience. What people say. These are perfect for laundry in the bathroom to help save space. They don't take up too much space and they are very strong. It opens up floor space because it hangs rather than a laundry hamper that sits on the floor. I can imagine this would also be a good thing to store kids' stuffed animals or toys. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.